Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video it's something new. Well, it's always new, but today it's the March Play by Sephora. So this month is March, so I got a box from Sephora, and this is unboxing. So this is the first time I see it, but I did cut it so that way I'm not struggling in the video because I have nails and I don't want to destroy them before Saturday. What Play by Sephora is about, you pay $10 a month and some change, and you make a profile of yourself. If, like, for example, for me, I have dry skin. They would basically like want to know about you, so that way they can send you some things for you so you can try. And I'm excited to open and see what I got. But what I like about is that everything inside, and if you like the sample that you try on, and if you really like it, you can go any store in Sephora and they have like the full size in there. So for me it's really good because I can find these things in Sephora instead of ordering online and paying shipping, and you know, I don't like paying shipping. But let's get started. Let's open this. Like I said, it's already open. I already cut it, but I haven't seen the inside of it. And this is the inside. It's really nice. It says love tips, tricks, and beauty hacks, Sephora Play. So you can see. And this is the inside. It comes with paper. I almost drops things. But let's see. This was on top. As you can see, it says Festival Beauty Vibe. And right here, it says 50 Beauty Insider Points, March 2018. So with this you can play pass. It says bring this card in store to get a free mini makeover and 50 extra beauty points with any purchase. So that's good. You get a makeover and you get 50 points, and that's good. I'm excited to use this. And on the back it shows you what products it's inside and what they do or how to apply them. Let's get on the good stuff. The package came, it's blue. I really like, it's like summery, and it says beauty is my spirit animal. And I like the little carrier, so you can like store more makeup in here or anything you want. Let's look inside one by one. This is On the Rocks charcoal shampoo and lightweight conditioner. It's called Dry Bar, and this is for your hair, as you can see. Because in the profile that I did say split ends, dry eyes, dry hair, and dry skin. So I'm excited to use this on my hair. Next thing, it's It, like the movie It. Just kidding. It's It from Bye Bye Under Eye Illumination Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. Like I said, the profile I did put that I have dark circles, so this is what they sent me, and I'm excited to use this because I'm struggling with dark circles. This is how the packaging is. It shows you what it does and the before and after. I'm not sure if you can see this, the before and after, and it's a little tube. Let me take it out. And it's a small little tube. I'm excited to use this. And on the back it says medium. Next thing, it's Cover. This to make you glow. I was like, what is this? Because I never heard this brand before, and I'm excited sucks. I mean, I like trying new things and see how that works, but it comes with the little pushy thing. Like I said, it comes in samples. It's samples, and you can get them in the store in Sephora if you really like it. If it works for you, you can get the full size. This is a highlighting drops made of highly pigment that can be used for high or understand glow. I mean, if you want glow, you got glow right here. It's Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water. Refreshing non-rinse water cleanser that removes makeup from your face and eyes in one swipe. So this little bottle, I'm excited to use this. Whenever I have makeup on, I can try it. Next thing, in the little pouch, two more things. It's the BB Beauty Balm. This one's a concealing, sun protecting beauty. It protects your skin from UV rays, and this is how it looks. I mean, I can try this and see how that works as well. Last thing is a hydrating hair, which my hair needs some hydration. This is a conditioner that boosts your hair hydration for shiny frizz-free style. It's called IGK. Never heard of this brand, but trying new things doesn't hurt at all. Maybe the things that you never heard before makes wonders, and you'll keep, using that product over and over, or many years. So yeah, comes the 6 products and the little bag, so you can put them in here. But I recommend, if you love Sephora, I recommend you to get the Play by Sephora. You only pay $10 and some change. I mean, that's really cheap, and they give you brand products. Some products you never heard before, but they're all brand products, and they're all in Sephora. If you like that product, you can go to Sephora and purchase it there, full size. This is the box, the card, and everything else. But overall, I'm happy what they gave me. Each month they give you different things, not the same thing. And I really like this March box, and I'm excited to use these products and see which one I like and purchase the big size. Well guys, this is the end of Sephora Play and the end of my video. But hopefully y'all like this video and the Play by Sephora unboxing. If you do, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and click that notification button on so you won't miss the fun. Well, until next time, bye.